Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Model S versus the Porsche 911 Turbo S. These two vehicles represent the pinnacle of performance in their respective categories, one a groundbreaking electric sedan and the other a legendary hybrid-assisted sports car. We'll explore their unique strengths, from raw speed to everyday usability, helping you decide which high-performance machine best suits your desires. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to sheer speed, both cars are incredibly fast. The Tesla Model S Plaid can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 1.99 seconds, thanks to its instant electric torque. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, with its powerful hybrid flat-six engine, is not far behind, reaching 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Both vehicles also boast impressive top speeds around 200 miles per hour, promising an exhilarating ride. Beyond raw power, practicality matters. The Tesla Model S, being a liftback sedan, offers substantial cargo capacity, up to 58.1 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down, making it surprisingly versatile for daily life. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, while offering a small front trunk and optional rear seats, prioritizes a focused driving experience over extensive utility. Tesla also leads with its large central touchscreen and comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Considering value, the Tesla Model S Plaid starts at about $101,630, delivering incredible performance and technology for its price point. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, with its meticulous engineering and luxury, commands a higher starting price of around $270,300. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize electric innovation and practicality or traditional sports car heritage and precision. And speaking of efficiency, if you're looking to streamline your own routine, check out the leak-proof meal prep containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.